Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 70 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this phone. So, theme on third place in our top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's install it. Click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while in the app, allow, confirm. Here you can pay for additional features, but this feature is not so great to pay for it, so I suggest you use it for free. Click set as default. You can choose, you need to set this launcher as default. And now here you have your stories, your news. Here you have beautiful interface, beautiful minimalistic interface with own style of icons. Here you have smart search indexing, files, contacts, and plugins like Microsoft Cortana. Here you have applications with a really great feature, with a really great grouping feature. This launcher automatically grouping internet application, games, media, utilities, and settings. So it's a really cool feature. And of course, here you have simple search by searching for first letter. For example, now I want to show you second theme in my top, and I want to open Play Store, so by clicking on P. Here I have all applications from P, and now I am in Play Store. So on the second place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So open Niagara Launcher and click install. It's completely free application. Click open. Wait a while, click agree and continue. Here choose your favorite applications, click OK. Click on this button to set Niagara Launcher as default. Here you can you can enable tips, so enable messages, enable notification to set up this launcher. Click tidy up, hide and use the apps. So hide, for example, mirror. I think no one use Honor mirror application. SIM card toolkits, tips, Honor tips. What do I want to hide? I want to find device clone, dev check, and maybe Honor store, Netflix. I'm not using Netflix, only HBO. And okay, click OK. Now choose okay, alright, and great. What we have here in this launcher. In this launcher we have really minimalistic interface without denying anything. Here we have alphabetical line to find in our application. For example, I want to find Gmail, so if you want to find any application, just set your finger on desired letter, for example G. If you want to find Gmail, click on this, and here you have your application. I think it's a really great launcher because it's really beautiful and minimalistic. It looks really great. Okay, and on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Open Microsoft Launcher and install it. I think this is the best launcher for your device. Hello. As you can see, here we have Microsoft sign-in screen. And why I think this is the best launcher for you, because if you will connect your Microsoft account with your Microsoft launcher, you will be able to receive your messages and calls on your Windows Microsoft device. So if you have Microsoft device, you can create a pair, or you can create an ecosystem between your Android device and your Microsoft device. You just need to connect your Microsoft account here. So I will click skip it now. Here choose your favorite application, click continue, let's go. Okay, so here you have your glance panel. This is the widgets panel. Here you can hide unused widgets and add your favorite widgets, and it's really handy to use because all your favorite widgets are here. Of course, you can add widgets on your home screens, but here widgets in one place, and it looks great and it's really handy. Okay, and of course you can customize everything here. You can customize your theme. You can make your theme dark or automatically changing theme from dark to light. You can enable blur effect. You can apply blur effect. You can change layout. You can hide applications from the app drawer menu. You have 2 lines, or you can make 3 lines or 4 lines for your favorite applications, available on all screens. You have home screens. You have app drawer. In app drawer you can hide apps too. It's same screen as from the settings. And of course here you have alphabetical line to quickly find favorite applications. Here you have Microsoft voice searching. You can change your Microsoft Launcher search engine from Bing to Google, for example. Or if you are using Bing, you can set Bing as default. So I think this is the best theme for your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.